Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot with your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So to do this you'll need to click on a Shift, Windows key and S at the same time. And let me show you this combination. It's Shift, Windows key and S. That way you'll pop up this screenshot mode, and now you can take a screenshot of a specific portion of the screen. It will open on the right side. Click on it to save it somewhere by pressing on Ctrl S, and now we can save it right there. You can also use different modes on this screenshot, so let's open it again, and right here you can, let's try that again. And now you can draw where you want to take a screenshot of a specific window, or take the screenshot of entire display. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.